I've been getting book reviews safely using Gemsy for over a year now without any issues. So if you need book reviews for many kinds of books, including ebooks, print, and low or medium content books, so that your self-published book can get more sales, keep watching. Welcome back. I am Gabrielle, a self-published author and a mom of 2 beautiful kids. And I share tips on how to make money online passively. This isn't your typical copy and paste book review platform. It's an all-in-one hub for book reviews, which works for many kinds of books, including ebooks, printed books, low-content books, medium content books, and soon, even audiobooks. And I haven't had any KDP safety issues with it at all. You can check it out for free using the link in the description. And I have a huge discount for you there too. You can get many different kinds of reviews too. But most of the time, I recommend getting verified reviews no matter what book review platform you use to ensure your account's safety. Gemsy is one of my favorite book review platforms because 1. It not only allows you to review high-content ebooks like fiction or nonfiction books, but also low and medium content books like notebooks, coloring books, puzzle books, and more. This isn't possible on most book review platforms, which only work for ebooks. And soon, you will be able to get book reviews for audiobooks too. 2. On Gemsy, people can buy your printed books to review them instead of just seeing your books in ebook form. 3. You can also get book reviews on Goodreads, which is a feature I haven't seen anywhere else. 4. You can request pictures and even videos for the reviews you want to receive. I also haven't seen that on any other book review platform. 5. They mention a requirement that most book review platforms miss. Gemsy lets you know right away that Amazon requires you to have spent at least $50 to be able to submit reviews. This is not a Gemsy requirement. It is an Amazon requirement, which means that if you haven't purchased anything on Amazon before for a total of $50 in the past few months, you won't be able to submit and get book reviews on any other KDP book review platform either. 6. They're constantly updating and upgrading their platform. Since I started using Gemsy, they've implemented many new features. If you watch my first Gemsy video, here, compared to my latest one, here, you will notice huge differences in their interface and the features they had at the beginning to what they have now. And Gemsy also has even more exciting updates coming up. A custom review speed option. Usually your books will receive a review within 5 days. But you will be able to adjust the amount of days soon, obviously, within a safe range. I like this because this will allow you to space out when you will receive book reviews. This increases your account safety. Soon, it will also have the ability to also submit audiobook reviews, which I'm especially excited about. They're optimizing their library so the books are better positioned to get reviews. And finally, a fresh new design. They also do updates often to stay aligned and compliant with Amazon's constantly evolving KDP terms and conditions. Some of those changes and updates across the year were limiting the amount of reviews you can submit per week, setting the correct marketplace for your book and for the books you review, amongst other features which help protect your Amazon KDP account. And remember, never submit AI-generated reviews. They also recommend against this. About a year ago, I did get some of those through Gemsy, but they now have strict policies against AI-generated reviews. To learn more about why providing AI-generated or low-value reviews will get your Amazon KDP account banned, check out this video here. The way Gemsy works is through a gems system. They now have 2 kinds of gems, normal blue gems for ebooks and rubies for printed verified reviews. Depending on the price and the number of pages a book has, is the amount of gems you will receive or need for reviews. Gemsy also doesn't have a tier system in their pricing. It has only one single plan, which can be paid monthly or yearly. Tier systems on other platforms allow some people to have more credits or points to review per month than others, which makes the whole system unfair, as some will be able to review more books and make the whole thing feel like a monetary transaction, which is against Amazon KDP rules. So after 1 year of using Gemsy, I can say that it has been a game changer for me. And even though I have loved other platforms that I recently tried, Gemsy stands out, especially if you need low-content book reviews, print-verified reviews, and soon, even audiobooks. Remember that you can try it out for free using my link in the description, and with my code Gabrielle30, you get a lifetime 30% discount. As you see, my experience with Gemsy has been very positive. And even Trustpilot agrees that this is a great book review platform. Let me know in comments what you think about Gemsy and if you have any questions. To learn more about Gemsy and watch how it has evolved, plus lots of self-publishing tips from my Amazon KDP journey and making money online passively so you can have time to enjoy your family, please remember to like and subscribe. And check out my KDP playlist next.